looks because I don't like this. Welcome back to Being Shanika's channel. I think I posted yesterday, but I want to do this video now because if I don't do it, I'll forget. And I want to show y'all what I have planned for today. I'm in my sewing room and I found this cardigan in my closet. And so y'all, I want to go ahead and revamp it. I am trying to do a TikTok as well. I wish I had 2 cameras, but that's going to work out one day. But yeah, this cardigan is what I had for a very long time, and I want to go ahead and revamp this cardigan into something else fun. So let me do a little bit of tutorial with you guys. How about that, right? And this is how it looks on me. You can't even see the full look. Let me put the camera down some. But this is how long the cardigan is. Can y'all see that? It has no shape, anything, just blah. But I want to go ahead and I want to basically revamp this look. So yeah, let's get into doing that. Okay, I don't have a cutting table in my room, so I'm going to cut it on my bed. So I realize I don't have to measure it per se because I know where I want it. I'm just going to go ahead and I'm going to cut along this line right here, cut this in half so that it can be a 2-piece. And this is going to be the bottom half of what I want it to be and the top half. So we're going to do a skirt and we're going to do a top and we're going to pair this all together. So y'all see I have cut it in 2. This is a separation that I have so far, the bottom half and the top half. So now I'm going to sew the rough edge of this bottom half closed as well as this top half here as well. I have serged up the edge of the sweater and I'm going to fold it over now. Y'all can see that? And then I'm going to sew it on the machine to close up this edge like this. You can cut off all that extra free. Don't do like I do. Now I'm going to fold it over at a 1/2 inch and sew down the bottom edge of the sweater. I basically have the bottom half of the sweater stitched up. I won't put it on yet because I want you to see the full look, but this is what I have so far, and I'm going to do the bottom half of the sweater as well. But I'm going to close it up first before I actually hem the top part of the sweater. And this is going to be the skirt part of the sweater. Y'all see how big it has gotten? But you can't even see the bottom half. I'm going to lower it so you can see. But the pockets are here, and this is me putting it around my waist, like so. But this is me, and I'm going to basically sew up this part of the skirt. But I want it to be where it has a crisscross effect to it. So this is what I want it to look like. I'll show you the full look once I sew all of this down. But this will look like, and I'm going to put elastic in the waist too. I'm going to put this safety pin on this elastic band to basically add to the skirt opening, and we're going to push it through here. Finally finished the skirt, and this is how it turned out. I have the elastic in the waist. This is the bottom part of the cardigan, and it has its pocket still. And this is the bottom part of the skirt and my sweater top here. And I'm going to add this button that I found. Let me show y'all the button. I found this. Oh, I hope I can see it. The button I found is so cute. It's so simple. Come on, stop doing that. But yeah, it's cute. And I want to add it to the bottom half of the top. Just spruce it up a little bit. The cardigan that I cut in half, you can see it there. And I want to add this little piece of elastic that I'm going to fold in half like this. And I just do it like this for a simple look. So I'm going to add it to the bottom other half of the cardigan. And I'm going to attach it like this to it and sew it down on the sweater, just for it to attach to the button when I put it on. Now I'm going to put it together so you can see how I styled it. So now I'm going to put on the look so y'all can see the full look of everything. And I found this sweater. Let me, hold on. But I found this top in my closet that I have not worn in a long time. It used to be a long sleeve, but I cut it off. Y'all can see that I revamped all of my clothes. So I'm going to put this on with this cardigan that I just revamped. And let's see how everything looks together, the full look, okay? Praying that this does not come out bulky in the front. I don't think it is, but I hope it doesn't, because I don't want it to look bulky and old. Or I'm gonna have to taper it in and take all this in to smooth it out. But I think it's gonna be fine. Let's just see how I look in this whole look. So I got this boot that I'm going to wear with it. I had this for a long time. So I'm gonna pair this along with the look that I just created. So let's go. Change the top on the inside because I want to wear a long sleeve with it. Let's see how the long sleeve looks, because I don't like this. And I want y'all to see the full look. This is the look that I created with the cardigan cut in half. And I have the elastic in the waist. It turned out pretty neat. I have my boots. Let me put it down so you can see that boot. But I have my boots on with it. Pretty simple. Now I want to elevate it a little bit more, and I want to add a hat and a jacket to it because it is fall and I want to look pretty cute. So we have my leather jacket here. I love this jacket. I had this for a long time. I opened up back the button so that y'all can see how it looks with the jacket on. This is it so far. I love how it turned out. And I pulled my sleeves down over so you can see the peekaboo of it. And I'm gonna add my hat just for a little bit more elevation with the leather jacket. Pretty nice, right? And then I have my 9 West bag that I barely carry with me. So I want to add that to it for another elevated look to it. This is the complete look. I love how the cardigan turned into a 2-piece. I love how the skirt has a little split detail. I want y'all see that. The little split detail here, and along with my nice long boot for the fall. And I think that the look turned out amazing. I love how it turned out. Let me So I have it paired with my leather jacket and my leather purse and my leather hat. And I think it's perfect and it's cute. Let me take it off without the jacket so you can see it. Bag. Yeah, this almost looks as expensive. So I think it worked out, and it's comfy and warm and everything hits the right place. Go on my TikTok, follow me on TikTok to watch the fast version of this look, and I hope you enjoyed this vlog.